everybody, welcome to the chaos that is today's session. My name is Katjamacabreteaching, better known here as the Yogi vocal coach, and today we are going to be doing some complex scales. This is great for warming up your entire range. I'm with a student today and she's going to be doing the exercises with us, but you won't be able to hear her. We are going to start off mid-range today because this is where their range is. We're going to start here. We're going to do it on an ooh to start. Ooh, ooh. Then we're going to take it up a half step each time. Let's start again in ooh. I'll call out the vowels that we're going to change to as we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ooh. One more time just so that we get it in our heads. 1, 2, 3. Right, that's the pattern. Let's take a nice deep breath in. Let it out. Remember breathing into the stomach. Standing up nice and tall, head over shoulders, over knees, over toes. We're going to take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, and keep it in E. To ah. Keep that jaw dropped. To keep an Very well done, everybody. Right, one more time for good luck. We're going to shift it a little bit now. This is going to shift through all of your register, chest, mix, and head voice. I'm going to keep it on the move, okay? And we're going to start this one on a lip bubble. Ready? 2, 1, 2, 3. Two more. Last one. Very well done, everybody. Woo! Thank you. you very much for singing with me today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, leave me a comment down below letting me know how you intend to put this into your warm-up routine, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this content, you can book a lesson with me at £30 Great British, and I do weekly or fortnightly lessons. Look after those voices of yours, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.